Let's go to work, baby!
If you're new here, I'm Ben, and I currently have 685 subscribers. Thank you if you're one of them. I've been making videos on this channel for over 8 years now. God, I've been doing this a long time. I started this channel on the 17th of June 2016, and this journey has been filled with so many exciting and interesting turns. When I first started making videos, I just wanted to make videos like the ones that I grew up watching. They weren't very good, but I never cared. I found them funny and I loved making them. After a while, I found out some of my friends made videos too, and soon my closest friends all were making videos or were in each other's videos, and because we loved watching them, we kept making them. And as we kept making videos, we kept learning, and I'm still learning new things about making videos to this day. I think that's been the most unforeseen thing about making videos all these years, is all those little tiny skills that I've learned over the years. Whether that was learning to video edit on Premiere Pro rather than on my phone, getting a better camera and learning how to use an actual camera rather than just my phone camera, scripting, how to fix audio, color grading, all these little things, and I'm still learning how to get better at these things and learning new things to this day. I've talked about this before, but YouTube really has pushed me outside my comfort zone. Whether that's been going out in public and recording and getting to a point where I don't care about sitting down with a camera in front of me in public and recording, or going halfway across the country to help two fellas film a delivery prank video in UCD who I had never met before. It's made me way more outgoing and far less self-conscious, which are two more reasons I wanted to start making videos in the first place, because in secondary school I always struggled to find things to say to people. I was fine if it was just one of the boys, we'd crack jokes and everything would be fine, but anyone outside my immediate friend group, I never knew what to say to them. I'm still working on that to this day, but I am far, far better at it than I ever was back then. YouTube has made me appreciate the little beauty in things more. Now what the hell do I mean by that? It's gotten me outside more, and anytime I'm walking around now, I don't just see a path or I don't just see the street. I see what story that shot could help me tell. I see the cinematic elements of it, the leading lines pointing to me in the center of the shot, and it's made me appreciate movies more because of it. These big open shots of buildings and nature, it's made me appreciate it all so much more.
I think the most beautiful thing about YouTube though is that it captures moments in time. I can go back and I can look at those nights playing Fortnite with the boys and relive them. I can go back to when I just started the gym and see how much progress I've made. I think it's quite special that YouTube gives us this ability to document our lives, because life is filled with all these ups and downs, and it's so important to remember what you've done and what you made it through, and even to look back at what you were thinking at that time. It's why I always encourage people to make YouTube videos and document their lives in some way, because I think it is so important to remember what you've done, what you've made it through, and how you got to where you are today.